What I've got here is actually a baby snake. Well, it's not baby. You know, when it was in an egg. The egg was 140 grams. Snake was as thick as my finger and about that long. Today, this one's 20 kilos. When it's full grown, this will be roughly 100 kilos long and about 5 meters in length, round as a 20-litre bucket. This is the Burmese python. It comes from Southeast Asia and the Indian subcontinent. Righto, kid. We're going to walk over and we're going to sit on that rock, right? Now, that's it, just walk naturally. So how you walk? Oh yeah, okay, all right, let's do that then. Fantastic. Righto, now, you've got to sit down there. Righto. Now if this is any other zoo, I'd probably take you aside for a minute and reassure you there's really no danger here for you at all. The reality is, this is the reptile park. I've never met you before and I don't care about you in the slightest. So instead, what I'm going to do is just throw the snake at you. We're going to put it around your neck so I can get a very good grip. We're going to pop it there on your lap, razor sharp teeth, a whole lot. Then you put your hand there and hold on to it, then you tilt your head up and give us a big fake smile. Excellent work. Fantastic. Now, I've got a free ticket in my hand that would entitle you to collect that photograph and take it home as a souvenir. And I can give it to you if that's what the crowd wants. So I'll get you another vote. Does she get the free ticket? Does she not? Yes or no? Well, it sounds like an overwhelming no from me. However, as you all know, there's nothing I like more than disappointing the crowd. So, I'm actually going to give you that free ticket. Fantastic stuff. Now, if you would like to get a souvenir photo, and I know some of you are like, oh, it's too late. If you want to get a photo, you can certainly do that. If you would like a snake photo, we can do that for you. If you would like to get a koala photo, not the slashing neck bitey one, but a nice one, we can give you a koala photo. If you would like an alligator photo, we can certainly do. Oh, there's Tyler. There's the evil Tyler, the one that got me attacked by the koala. And you notice what he's done? He's picked up a bird because he knows the koala's going to attack in retribution. Now, if you want, if you would like to get a souvenir photo, I can't even look at Tyler. If you would like to get a souvenir photo, all you've got to do, hop on over to the photo booth, grab yourself a ticket, and away you go. Now, if you're about to head home for the day, we want to thank you so